I'm in Tokyo and everything is super expensive. My room has 6 square meters and costs $600 per month.
I can't even stretch.
I also have 10 flatmates. This is our kitchen. Let's go buy some apples. What? $1.50 for an apple? No apples for me then. Stupid apples. But what am I gonna eat? Fortunately, there are some easy ways to save a big chunk of money on a daily basis. First, go to the supermarket in the evening. Starting from maybe 7 o'clock, they will put discount labels on many things like fish, bread and meat. You can save between 20 and 50%. The later you go, the lower the prices. Also, if you can, try to avoid Japanese supermarkets at all. In some areas there are many like Chinese and Indian supermarkets. They don't have everything, but the things they have are usually much cheaper. If you wanna go shopping for clothing and stuff, Japan has some of the best second-hand shops I've ever seen anywhere. They have really good stuff for really low prices. The districts with the highest concentration of second-hand stores are Koenji and Shimokitazawa. Check it out. Another good possibility for that are flea markets. All over the city there's huge flea markets every weekend. For everything else you might need or not need, you can go to a 100 yen shop. They have everything. They're all over Tokyo and some of them have like 5-story buildings. The most famous brand is called Daiso. I hope this was helpful and happy shopping!